My name is Morono Chiemeze. I'm from Anambra State, Nigeria, and this is Fine and Applied Arts, UNN, Faculty of Arts, Nsukka. So I'm studying Fine and Applied Arts, and actually what made me choose the course is it actually helps me express my feelings very well, and it also opens other doors to try out other things. Like in the department, there are so many places you can major. You have painting, you have ceramics, you have sculpture, and so many more. So I really enjoy painting, and when I paint, it gives me joy from my inside. I always feel happy doing it, and it really helps me. And I've also done some other exhibitions. I've done some exhibitions. I took some of my painting works there for my exhibition, and there is this guy, Ome Chinecherem. I really love his works, and I really want to work hard and be like him. Okay, this is actually a class work we are working on now, and it's just that it's not that good, but I'm a second year student. That is why we practice every day. So this is today's work, and this is how it's turning out for now.